Hi friends, welcome back to my 30-day series on how to become a food content creator in 2025. I'm in a new place. I'm actually dog sitting for some good friends of mine in a very beautiful house. And it just so happened to coincide with the last day of our 30-day series. It's day 30. Yay! We made it. This is the last day, friends. I'm very excited about that, and I'm very proud because this has been so much work for me, and there's been a lot of obstacles and just kind of a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes that I've had to overcome and let go of in order to get this done. So I'm really proud of myself because there have been so many years on social media where I've wanted to show up and I've launched projects and just completely forgotten about them, or I've been consistent for 2 weeks and then not posted for 6 months, or I have attempted to do something and I didn't really get a response and so I stopped. And this has been one of those things where I am so confident in what it is that I've just persevered through so many things that would have made me quit before because I believe in it so much. So I'm really excited for you guys to film a video. And I think the interesting thing about the universe is you all are supposed to film a video today, and I am also filming a video today. So that brand deal that I booked is for a product category that I haven't created content in before. And so I know you guys are probably nervous to shoot your first video. I'm also nervous to create content in a new content category, but I just have to remind myself, and as I'm reminding myself, I want you to remember this as well, because this is everything we've been talking about over the last 30 days, that I'm valuable and I'm worthy, and that if this brand hired me to create content, it's because they think I am exactly who I presented myself to be, which is a great content creator. And my point of view is valid, and I deserve to be seen and I deserve to be heard, and everybody has to start somewhere. And so today you're starting with your first video or your 10th video. I'm starting with a brand deal in a product category that I've never created in before, and it's new and exciting, and it is a little scary, and that's okay. We're gonna get it done anyway. So I want to remind you that it's not hard, and that if it's something that you want to do, it's something that has been on your heart to do. It's because you're supposed to be doing it. So set up your camera and record your content, and when you get it posted, please put it in the comments so that we can go support you. Thank you all so much for sticking with me for the 30 days. If you have not watched all other 29 videos in the series, please go back and watch those, and then subscribe to the channel, because I'll be back next week with weekly vlogs and with just kind of the journey of making it as a content creator in Los Angeles. And I want to share that experience with you all, and I want to share kind of the mental, emotional, spiritual, physical journey that I'm going on over the next couple months. And that's kind of where we're going to be on the blog. So I'll be back twice a week. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss anything, and post your videos in the comments because I want to see them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all next week. Bye.